Music. Thinking about Brightline? This video covers my experience with Brightline, America's high-speed train. Booking your next trip? Check the description for easy platform access. Brightline offers fast, comfortable travel between Florida's major cities, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, and Orlando. Perfect for business or leisure, skip the hassle of driving or flying. Brightline's booking platform is super user-friendly. Book tickets in a few clicks, search routes, select dates, and you're done. Choose between Smart and Premium class. Smart offers comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary snacks. Premium elevates your experience with wider seats, lounge access, and priority boarding. Either way, enjoy a smooth, efficient trip, avoiding flight delays and long drives. Join Brightline Plus, their loyalty program, for discounts and special offers. Their mobile app makes booking and managing tickets even easier, including digital check-in. I also love Brightline's commitment to sustainability. Their electric trains reduce carbon emissions, making it a great eco-friendly choice. Brightline offers a modern, efficient, and green way to travel between Florida's best cities. Business or pleasure, Brightline provides a fast, comfortable solution. Book your next trip easily using the links below.